What is it, guys? Today we're going to be doing another video. I know it's the same day. This is not another day like 3 a.m. or something. But yeah, we're going to be playing some more Roblox. And yeah, if you might see, I did pretty worse on the other one because I was waiting and I was like this. Like that. And yeah, Get Eden. U-Storm Simulator. Um, oh, Bacon. Bacon Girls. Oh, a lot of bacon, guys. Roblox and Water Park. Okay, let's not waste our time, but new Pet Simulator. What? Okay. Okay. If you might see through that, yeah, can't really end. Yeah, let's see which games we want to play. Work at a pizza place. Yeah, let's do okay. Hold on. Okay. We are good. Oh, ain't nobody got time for that. Wait a sec. Just choose. I mean, no, I've bacon hair. Are you kidding me? Does everybody have bacon hair? Yeah, let's go on a can that's better. This can. Just here. Okay. Pizza slice of life. So many choices. Can I get a surprise sound? Created by. Okay. Oh, why does someone have their car? Hold up. Okay. I'll order for you guys. Ooh. I need a second to decide. Okay. I'll do. Good job. See you later. Okay, it looks like this guy looks very, very confused. Welcome. He wants that sausage pizza. Alright. Oh, cheese pizza. Okay. Nice. See you on the flip side. What? Hey! We twinning! But I don't have that kind of boat. We twinning with the yellow skin. You the best. Thank you. Um, okay. Let's leave the game because I don't want to really, like, yeah, like, these are some cool houses. Speaking of house, I'm not gonna tell you my address though. Let me move the face cam so it looks better. Better than makeup. Oh, okay. Wolves Life Beta. Beta. Um, let's do. Wait, we don't need to see. We don't need to see the intro. Let's turn this down also a bit. Hide? I am already hiding. Did it save my stuff? Let's see. This is mine? You all? No, it's not mine. Looks like there's nothing to claim here. Um, ah, nobody's factory. Okay. At least we found one thing. But I'm lucky. Let's load my game. And yeah, I've done all this work. I have 7,500 cash. Is this mine? No, it is someone else's. Well, whatever. I'll just get my own factory. Okay. Cancel. I do not have any Robux. And I don't want to be one of those people who spend all mom's credit card or something. It's our news trend. You have nothing yet. Well, guest customer, you can't come. But I'm sorry, but we just got the place, so they're so fancy, too fancy, bro. I think I'm gonna have enough. I don't really know. Cheese pizza dispenser. We got some cheese pizza already prepared just for the next customer. You are welcome. Okay. I wasn't talking for a while because yeah, I mean, I'm not like a person who talks all the time. Like I'm kind of like quiet mostly, so don't really judge because I mean, I usually just always I don't like talk all the time. But yeah, yeah, I just need to concentrate on the game more because like I need to get all these customers' numbers. I'm just kidding. I'm not a girl. Thank you. You are welcome. All for you. Um. Ow. Ow. Okay. Um. Yeah. It looks like so far our tycoon is going out pretty good. Restaurant path. Cheese pizza. Yes. Is my money uploading? What's happening? Oh, there we go. Okay. I think it's gonna be done for today. If you guys enjoyed, subscribe, like, notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Yeah, share with your friends if you really want to. And yeah, goodbye.